Carter, what are you doing? Carter Todd. Are you stuck under the table? And you're free. With the dog collar. Bye-bye. 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 Oh, don't you get me. Don't you get me. Don't you get me. You better not get me. You better not do it. You better not do it. What are you doing? That light off. What are you doing? Oh. Come on. Crawl up. Don't you get me. Don't you do it. You fell. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.